Q9423. Hold line markings at the intersection of taxiways and runways consist of 4 lines, 2 solid and 2 dashed, that extend across the width of the taxiway. These lines are A. White in color, and the dashed lines are nearest the runway. B. Yellow in color, and the dashed lines are nearest the runway. C. Yellow in color, and the solid lines are nearest the runway. The correct answer is B. For taxiway/runway junctions, holding position markings consist of 4 yellow lines, 2 solid and 2 crashed. On the same side where the airplane is to hold, the solid lines are always present. 8203. All runway hold markings consist of A. 2 dashed and 1 solid yellow line. B. 2 dashed and 2 solid yellow lines. C. 1 dashed and 1 solid yellow line. The correct answer is B. Holding position markings for taxiway/runway intersections typically consist of 2 solid yellow lines and 2 dashed yellow lines. The solid lines are always on the side where the aircraft is supposed to hold, indicating the boundary beyond which the aircraft must not proceed onto the runway. The dashed lines serve as visual indicators leading up to the holding point. These markings are designed to provide clear guidance to pilots and indicate the specific location where aircraft should stop and hold when approaching a runway. They are an important element in maintaining runway safety and preventing runway incursions. 9417. You have just landed at JFK and the tower tells you to call ground control when clear of the runway. You are considered clear of the runway when A. The aft end of the aircraft is even with the taxiway location sign. B. The flight deck area of the aircraft is even with the hold line. C. All parts of the aircraft have crossed the hold line. The correct answer is C. A plane is not considered to be clear of the runway until all of its components have passed above the relevant holding position sign. 9764. Taxiway centerline leadoff lights are color-coded to warn pilots that A. They are within the runway environment or run-up danger critical area. B. They are within the runway environment or ILS critical area. C. They are within the taxiway end environment or ILS critical area. The correct answer is B. People leaving the runway are given visual direction by the leadoff lights along the taxiway center line. They are color-coded to alert pilots and vehicle operators that they are in an ILS critical area or the runway environment, depending on which is more limiting. From the runway center line to one center line light position past the runway holding position or ILS critical area holding position, alternate green and yellow lights are erected, starting with green. 9785. THL is the acronym for A. Takeoff hold lights. B. Taxi holding lights. C. Terminal holding lights. The correct answer is A. A double longitudinal row of in-pavement, unidirectional fixtures is arranged either side of the runway center line illumination to form the takeoff hold lights (THL) system. They position and hold point have fixtures that concentrate towards the runway's arrival end and extend 1,500 feet in front of the holding aircraft. An aircraft in rollout or takeoff position is warned that it is dangerous by illuminated red lights. Due to another aircraft or ground vehicle occupying the runway or about to occupy it, the lights must be illuminated by 2 aircraft or by a surface vehicle and an aircraft. The departing aircraft must be prepared for takeoff or rolling out for takeoff. There must be another aircraft or a surface vehicle on the runway or about to cross it.